Alright guys, so today it's a really quick recipe. So this is frozen chicken breast, okay? So this chicken breast I got at in a package, was really cheap because I always have people say, oh, chicken breast is so expensive, or because you can buy them frozen, like a 4 kilogram box, that's what I got, and it was like $25. So, and these chicken breasts will last you for a long time. So I put it in the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot will thoroughly cook it. It's frozen at the moment. You don't have to thaw it or anything like that. It'll cook it pretty much all the way through because you're pressure cooking everything. These are beets. These are farm-grown beets, and I got brown rice on the bottom. So I'm gonna cook it all up. I'll do a quick taste test for you once it's all done. But yeah, these are frozen chicken breasts. You just you don't have to defrost. You just throw it right into the pot. It'll pretty much cook it right through, and it'll actually maintain its moisture. It's not going to dry out. It's really good. Like I said, really inexpensive. You can buy a full pack of chicken breasts thing, and it's an easy way to get your protein as well. So if you have any questions, I'll be right back, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, there it is, all done. As you can see, the beets gave it a red color, but let's do a quick taste test. Right there. It's quite good. You get the flavor of the beets. The chicken's all done, and yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe. I'm going to show you once it's all done. You can also put in like your greens. So that's the Organic Girl Super Greens, by the way. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.